my go-to for doing social media strategy. I use the Universal Social Media Strategy Prompt. If you want to put prompt in the comments, I'm going to show you how to use it. My name's Dina Collada, and I help people use AI without all of the headache. You don't need anything fancy. You just need a ChatGPT account. And just a few other things. 1, you need to know your name or your brand. 2, what do you do? What is your service or your product? 3, this is where most people go wrong. You need to know who your ideal client is. 4, a lot of people get this wrong too. You need to be really clear on the problem you solve. 1 problem. 5 is the transformation that you create with your product or service. Think of this as the before and the after. And 6, you also need to know a little about your brand voice. The more, the better. The more that you know, the more that it sounds like you. Then you're going to put this prompt right here into ChatGPT, or you could use Gemini or whatever LLM you like. Ask me questions one by one to help me figure out this information about my product or service. Got it? My brand details, name or brand, what I do, your role and description of what you do, who I help, your ideal audience, problem I solve, pain points you fix, transformation I create, desired results your client wants, my offer, your product, service, program, my tone of voice, 3 to 5 words that describe your style. Now we hit enter, and here we go. It's going to ask us questions one by one to help us come up with the answers. What's the name of your brand or the name you want to be associated with this offer? The Universal Social Media Strategy Prompt from Dina Collada and Bots Be Like. Okay. So we've got brand name, Dina Collada, Bots Be Like. What do you do? Give me a role and a crisp description in your own words. I build prompts, systems. I build pump systems. I build prompts and systems that help business owners and creators capture their voice using human bots and a suite of custom built bots. But in this instance, I want to focus on promoting the Universal Social Media Strategy Prompt that is free, that people will sign up for on my website. Cool. Who's the social media strategy prompt for? Let's go ahead and you'll put this in about your business. This prompt is for overwhelmed creators, people who want to become more present online and feel overwhelmed when it comes to making social media strategy. They don't know where to start. They get stuck. They don't know when to post, where to post, because it's just turning into a black hole of social media crap. Problem does this solve for them? It comes up with a full social media strategy for their business. It helps them eliminate decision fatigue because they don't have to think about where to post, when to post, what to post, etc. It's hurting them because they're not reaching the audience that they could if they just had a simple plan that was done for them. What transformation does the prompt deliver? The after state is they feel ease because they don't have to think about what they're going to post, where they're going to post it. They feel so much better about their business and the people they can help. And what becomes possible once the social media starts being chaotic and starts being strategic and easy is they can finally reach the customers that they want, helping people and actually making money doing what they love with their product or service. Okay. What exactly is the offer here? The first offer is the first step in the Ascension ladder, which is the Universal Social Media Strategy Prompt. You're going to put whatever you want in these parts, okay? Prompt. And then after that, there's also an offer for a Bestie Bot, which creates 7 days of content done for them. And then after that, there's another add-on that they can get, which is a prompt pack that helps them use the Bestie Bot even more. And then after that, I show them Dina Colada's Social Syndicate bot, which will create 90 days of content for you. It will also repurpose, create video scripts, and give you different hashtags, text overlays, and captions for all the different major social media platforms. Okay, so then you're going to put in your voice here. My voice is like a tech savvy best friend, witty, funny, and a little bit sassy. Awesome. Here it's got all the brand details, and then you can put that into your social media prompt, the Universal Social Media Prompt. How cool is this? So if you want the Universal Social Media Strategy Prompt and the Brand Clarity Prompt, put prompt in the comments below and I'll hook you up.